Think of indexing like your computer's internal librarian. When it is on, it constantly updates your PC's records files. Your documents, apps, and emails are constantly saved so that when you need it, it appears instant. And when it is off, Windows literally has to dig deep through your drive in order to find it. And that's like trying to find a word in a book without an index. And now you might be thinking turning it off saves power. And yes, it saves a little. But here is the catch. Your PC ends up wasting more time and processing power when you actually need something. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn back on indexing on Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know here. Imagine you open your File Explorer and search for that invoice you saved last week. It should appear in 1 second, right? But instead, you are wasting 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and forever trying to open one file. Multiply that delay across your week, projects, and your workflow, and you could see why these tiny settings can make your PC even feel slow when it's not. Now on your PC, go to the Start menu and type Services. And make sure you pick the one with this best match. Inside the Services Explorer, make sure to scroll down until you locate Windows Search. In my case, here is it. So I'm going to make sure to click on it and right click and make sure you select on Properties. With that selected, currently the startup type is disabled, and that is why you need to turn this on. And to do that, you basically have to click on the disable box and set it as automatic. Then after that, continue to tap on Apply. Then make sure to click on OK. And wait, that's not all. And once we turn it on, we're going to make some important change here, and which will make sure everything is intact. Click on the Start menu again. Then inside the search, we're going to type indexing option. Then make sure to select the one with this best match. And this is where we're going to make sure we do some important changes here. So continue to click on Modify. And for the index location, we're going to choose on folders that contains our documents and downloads. And this will make our PC run faster without having to waste time on indexing alone. So in this case, I'm going to make sure to select on Windows C, and I'll untick Microsoft OneNote. Then after that, I'll proceed to tap on OK. Then I'll close this file. Every second you save adds up to an important part of your life. Multiply it across days, weeks, and months. And that's why top IT department manually enable indexing on their PC whenever they do an update. Because in the digital economy, speed equals profit. And the faster your PC responds, the more you get things done and the more value you create to the external world. If you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section. It might be featured in our next live series. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.